How to eliminate bad odors from your car. The stench of cigarette smoke, disagreeable pet odor, and sweaty sports equipment are just a few of the things that contribute to a vehicle's distinct aroma over time. Unpleasant scents are a continual threat to your car's interior, and many of them are tough to eradicate or hide no matter what you try. Here are the most effective and long-lasting ways to keep your automobile smelling fresh with minimal time or effort. 1. Charcoal. This age-old treatment acts as a natural toxin absorber. It should be no surprise that the same technology used in water filters may also be utilized to filter your air. Simply place cloth bags with activated charcoal around the interior of your car. 2. Baking soda. Few substances have as numerous applications as baking soda. Furthermore, it should be your first pick if you're dealing with vomit. This abrasive, alkaline powder absorbs smells and aids in the blanching of stains. Simply clean and dampen the smelly area, liberally add baking soda on top, and allow to dry. Then, at least a couple hours later, vacuum the dry powder. Baking soda can be kept in a sealed container with a few holes in the top to operate as a natural air deodorizer. 3. Vinegar. This strong but pleasant-smelling liquid is perfect for combating overbearing odors. You may even keep it in your car overnight in a small cup or dish. Even the strongest scents will be substantially reduced by the evaporation process of the vinegar. You may also use a moist cloth and a vinegar-water mixture to spritz and massage a particularly nasty spot. The vinegar solution should always be a 50-50 water to vinegar mix because pure vinegar is powerful enough to destroy materials like carpet and leather. 4. Vanilla. Another option is to put several drops of vanilla on cotton balls and place them in your door pockets or cup holders in the car. 5. Coffee. If you like the fragrance of coffee, place a sealed container of ground coffee with holes in the lid in your car to combat odors. 6. Essential oils. Many individuals will also use citrus or peppermint essential oils, but you can use any of your favorites. Just like the vanilla, put the essential oil on cotton balls and place around the interior of your car. 7. Vacuum. The majority of odors in the interior become absorbed into the cloth, and vacuuming can often get rid of the unpleasant scents. Use your vacuum cleaner's upholstery attachment and be sure to catch every little corner since odors may hide in the tiniest of spaces. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.